Today we're making caramel cheesecake popcorn, so let's get popping. That is so good. Today we're making caramel cheesecake popcorn, and to do that we're going to be using a caramel Glaze Pop by Gold Medal. This is their Gold Medal Glaze Pop product. Has everything already in it, sugar, an emulsifier, caramel flavoring, all that right here. This is an instant pudding, and this is a cheesecake flavoring. This flavor came to us because of a popcorn we purchased a couple weeks ago from Kettle NYC. They're a popcorn place, makes some great flavors of popcorn in the capital region in New York, in the Albany area. They have trucks that they sell their popcorn in. It's really cool. And we purchased a caramel cheesecake flavor from them. It was really good. It seemed to be more of like a caramel flavor with a dusting of like a white cheddar or some type of cheese dusting. So we wanted to make something similar, but this is our take on that, and that's why we're using this Jello instant pudding. So let's get popping. First thing we're gonna do is turn on our kettle, get that heated up. We are going to check the temperature of our kettle because we have been popping popcorn in here today, and it's at 239 degrees. We need to get it up to about 350. And while that's heating up, we're gonna get our ingredients measured out. So first thing is we need oil. This is an 8-ounce popcorn popper. That means it uses 8 ounces of kernels. So we're gonna be using 3 ounces of oil. The oil we're using is Buttery Goodness. This is by Paragon. Great oil for popping popcorn. It has this really nice buttery flavor to it, and it's also a topping oil, meaning you can put this right on top of popcorn and gives it a nice buttery flavor too. Here we have our 3 ounces of oil. We're also going to be using 8 ounces of kernels, so let's get that measured. There we have our 8 ounces of kernels. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure out our caramel glaze pop, and we are going to be using a heaping 1/3 of a cup of glaze pop. Got our 1/3 of a cup. Smells really good. You can smell the caramel in that. Really good. Okay, we've been heating up. Let's check our temperature. We're at 366 degrees, so that's plenty hot enough. We're going to put in our oil, and we're going to put in our kernels. We're going to close this. We're not going to put in our glaze pop yet. Soon as this starts to pop just a little bit, that's when we're going to put in our glaze pop. While that's happening, we're going to get our instant pudding ready to go. So we'll open this up, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to use about 1/3 of a cup of this as well. So we have our 1/3 of a cup here, and we are going to open up our package. We're going to pour that in here. We're going to see how much is in this package. Oh yeah, okay, perfect. There's a little bit left in there, but we have our 1/3 of a cup. We have to really be listening for this because as soon as it starts to pop, that's when we have to add in that glaze pop. Now, if you want to pick up the Popcorn Genius recipe book, absolutely free. There's a link down in the description. You can download that today. Also, if you're interested in getting one of these Theater Pop 8 Paragon popcorn poppers, great machine, terrific. Oh, I hear it popping. We need to get our glaze pop in there. And that's going to start to pop again, and then it's going to coat all that popcorn with that great caramel glaze pop. Now, as I was saying, if you're interested in picking up one of these theater-style popcorn poppers from Paragon, there's a link down in the description. There's also a coupon code to get 15% off one of these machines. It's a great commercial machine. You can use it at home. You can use it at a concession stand. Really great machine. Very solid quality, all stainless steel. Really good. Also, if you want to become a member of the Popcorn Genius community, where we talk about popcorn, how to make different popcorn flavors, there's also information in the community about how to use one of these machines, how to pop all different kinds of flavors, from starting popping here to cleaning it. All is covered in that community, as well as information on how to start your own kettle corn business. Lots of other really great things. So check that out. Link down in the description. Oh yeah, we're popping up now. I'm gonna get our bag ready. This is a 2-gallon Ziploc bag. As soon as this caramel corn finishes, we're gonna fill this bag with it so we can put our cheesecake instant pudding. Okay, we're popping up really good. We're gonna listen for this, and as soon as it starts to slow down, we're gonna give it a dump. I think we're good. We're gonna turn this off, give it a dump. There we go. We're gonna stir this around. We wanna just get any unpopped kernels out of there. And what we're gonna do is we are going to fill our bag. We want it to be in here while it's still nice and hot, because that's gonna help that instant pudding to really stick to the kernels. There we go. We have about a gallon of popcorn in here. It's still very nice and hot. And now we're gonna dump in our cheesecake instant pudding. We're gonna spread that all in there, close this up, and we're gonna give it a shake. Okay, look at that. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Open it up, give it a smell. Ooh, yes, yes, you can smell. Ooh, take a look at those. Oh yeah. That is so good. The cheesecake on there is really, really good. That's awesome. The cheesecake powder, or that cheesecake instant pudding, really like just smooths out the caramel corn or the caramel flavoring. Kind of like what caramel cheesecake would be like. You know how it's like smooth and velvety? That's exactly what it did here. Man, that is really good. That is so good. So today we made caramel cheesecake popcorn just using some gold medal Glaze Pop and some Jello instant pudding mix. So remember, you can make great flavors just like this. You just got to get out there and get popping.